What's up, fam? Hey, today on the Grilling Oasis, we're gonna do a video on frying some fish. I got some catfish, basic catfish, cut it up, seasoned it. You know, I put my favorite seasoning on there, some paprika, some seasoning salt, garlic powder, some pepper, and I put my fish fry. Wonderful. I like the Wonderful because it just doesn't be overbearing like the other seasonings from Zanaran's fish fry. So we got it. We're gonna shake it up, put it in the grease. All right, family. So we just got a basic Fry Daddy type of contraption here that we're gonna use. We battered up our fish in our fish fry. I'm just gonna put it in there. I generally do it about 7 minutes. That'll be pretty good. Look at the grease. We use canola oil. About to put it in there. Ooh, listen at that there. It's gonna be good right there. Yeah. You know, you say, why are we frying fish on the Grilling Oasis? Because you know what? We're a food channel. We do it all. Actually, I seen one lady, she fried fish on a grill. Put the pot on some hot coals and fried the fish. I ain't got there yet, y'all. I'm just using the old Fry Daddy. It does the trick for me. You don't want to overfill it. You see how the fish is just frying up. Nice, gonna be golden brown. We're gonna do it 7 minutes, and then I'll see you when I pull it out. Alright, fam. So it's been about 7 minutes. We're just gonna take it out. See that nice, pretty golden brown. Nice coat. Oh, it's seasoned good too. Yes, indeedy. Yeah, that's that fire right there, y'all. Even in the grease. Gonna be good. We take it out, we put it in a tin pan with some paper towels in it so it'll soak up the grease. You know, you want your fish just to be good and flaky. What I did was I took a big catfish fillet and just cut it. Cut it and made little small pieces. They fry it real good. Easy to fit in my pot here. See, nothing burns. Nothing burns. 7 minutes, that's all you need. That's all you need. Alright, that's the first batch, y'all. So yeah, we got the next batch of fish going in there. We can see how they got nice coat on there, both sides. Just drop it in there. Ooh, listen at that grease. That's the sound of good food cooking. So we're gonna spread them out so that they don't stick together. Just going around putting them in there. Put one in the middle. Got one more spot. That in right there. Alright. See y'all in 7 minutes. Alright, family. We out here about to get our second batch of fish. Again, we just take it out. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty golden brown. Seasonings everywhere. Put it in our tray. Take one out by the time. I like frying fish. You know, fish is really nice. It's a good way to have a quick meal. Because it's only 7 minutes per batch. But you don't want to put too many fish in there. It won't fry right if you do. Like I said, we just got some catfish right here. Make sure you got some long tongues wrapped around it. I generally don't use forks or nothing like that because it punctures your fish. You can rip the fish up. But the tongue, just grab it. Just grab it with the tongue. And that's it, y'all. We're gonna make some grits with it. We're gonna have fish and grits. And then we're gonna show you our meal at the end.
All right, we got our water boiling for our grits that we're gonna eat with our catfish. Add some salt in there. Make sure it's seasoned up good. Just use your directions on your box of your grits that you're using. Any kind of grits to do. We are using Quaker today, but it doesn't matter. We've used Jim Dandy, Aunt Jemima, all kind of different grits. And we are using the quick 5-minute grits. So I'm gonna pour my grits in there. And then I use a whisk. Just whisk it all up in there. And that helps it from clumping up. We don't want them lumps in the grits. So then I cut it all the way back down. Cut it back down. About a 1 or so. You just let it cook. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So you can still see it's still cooking here. About halfway ready. We need a couple more minutes on it. It's thickening up. Not gonna have any lumps. Alright, so we got it nice and thick, how we like it. And what I do now is I add just a little bit of milk. It just makes it smooth and creamy. Stir that in. See how it changed? It's got like a creamy look to it. Put a little bit more. Once we get the milk incorporated, we're gonna add a little bit, well, a lot bit of butter. All right, see how smooth it's getting? We like ours thick. If you like yours thinner, just thin it out. Put some more milk or some more water. However you want to do it. It'll be nice and creamy, no lumps. Go great with the catfish. All right. All right, they are ready. We got the butter in there. Stir it around till it melts all through. Already got our salt in there. We can taste it right now, see if we need a little bit more salt. Or you could even just add some salted butter. And that would get it right. Add a little pepper. We're good to go. Show you the plate in just a minute.
Alright fam, we got the fish, the grits, got some lemon wedges to go on the fish, biscuit, and some tartar sauce. Go with the fish. Alright family, that's how we fry fish on the Grilling Oasis. See you next time.